Hey, wow, nice triple twist. Oh, wonderful double back. Nice, nice. Rizong song, nice execution. यार ये तो सभी घूम रहे हैं, भाई जीतेगा कौन? तो ये है इंडियन जिम्नास्टिक्स की प्रॉब्लम, ऑडियंस कनेक्ट ही नहीं हो पाती। ऑडियंस तभी कनेक्ट होगा जब वो गेम को समझ पाएगा। Audience is attracted to a particular sports only when the national team in that sports performs better in Olympics, or second, when the professional leagues or commercialization of that particular sports happens. So from India's point of view, we have ticked the first box thanks to Deepa Karmakar's heroics in 2016 Rio Olympics. What about the second? Let's see. Let's take a look at cricket. IPL in 2009 brought a revolution. Instead of a slow-paced and more complicated test cricket, T20 cricket was introduced. T20 क्रिकेट के आने से इतना चेंज हुआ और उसके गेम के पॉपुलैरिटी में इतना इंक्रीज हुआ कि आज एक 10 साल का बच्चा कोहली आउट होने पर बोलता है, अरे यार बैकफुट पे खेलना था। तो यही चेंज हमें जिम्नास्टिक्स में लाना होगा। ऑन अ वन हैंड हमें मेन स्ट्रीम जिम्नास्टिक्स को चालू रखना ही है, बट ऑन द अदर हैंड वी हैव टू प्रोड्यूस समथिंग डिफरेंट टू कनेक्ट द ऑडियंस। आई हैव नोटिस्ड ऑडियंस गेट मोर इमोशनली अटैच्ड whenever the contest is direct between the two. That rivalry brings crispness in the match. You might say, then gymnastics cannot be popular ever, but this is not the case. Let's take a look at another sports which changed some of its rules to make it more interesting. In rifle shooting, 8 finalists get to shoot 24 shots in the final. That 24 shots, the person with the highest points wins. Sounds boring, but after the 2016 Rio Olympic, they brought a change. After the first 12 shots, the person on the bottom is eliminated, and it is repeated after every 2 shots. So the person who is at the last ranking gets eliminated one by one. So on the 23rd and 24th shot, the battle is between the gold medal between the first and second competitor. This brings in excitement. This brings in anxiety. This brings a joy, a thrill to the audience, which helps them to connect and continuously watch that sport. Something similar has to be done about gymnastics. This can be done without destroying the mainstream gymnastic platform. In the other words, through a professional league. The professional league brings many things. It gives exposure of the gymnast towards media. Second, when you train with the top players, your mentality becomes strong and you know what you have to do in the competitions. This will help you in your mainstream gymnastic competitions as well. This brings in comparison. So the audience, without any technical knowledge, can still be thrived and thrilled with this contest. When you know that a person has to perform 2 somersaults, the audience knows that he has to perform 2 somersaults. If he succeeds, he wins. If he doesn't win. As simple as that. This helps them to connect with the sports. And gradually, they will obviously come to know about the technicality of the sport. And this is how you will improve the popularity and stakes of the sports. As I mentioned above, the scoring system of gymnastics is very complex. You have difficulty, you have artistry, you have execution and whatnot. So this doesn't help the audience to get to know that who is leading the scoring charts and why. So in professional leagues, you can eliminate these all factors, and when you bring down to 1 versus 1, this helps them to understand the concept. Many of the senior gymnasts will argue with me that with this, the purity of gymnastics might be harmed. Okay, but that happened with cricket too. But today, Test cricket is thriving too. It has the same importance as T20 cricket. Might not be for the audience, but for the players, the main aim is to play the Test cricket for their nation. And this is how we are going to change. First, when the audience is attracted, they will gradually get to know about the technicality of the sports, and after they get to know the technicality of the sports, we can bring them more close to the mainstream gymnastics. This is what happened in America. In America, 38 million people watched their women gymnastic team take gold in 2012 Olympics. So this is the change we want. This is the change I am talking about. Thank you so much.